Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to convert USD to USDT in Kucoin. So the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Kucoin account. Now if you do not have a Kucoin account, I'm going to show you what exactly to do. Launch any browser of your choice. In the search bar type kucoin.com and it's going to take you to the official website. Now once you get there, top right corner you're going to find sign up. Click on sign up and follow through with the on-screen prompt to sign up. Now once you're done signing up, it's going to take you to this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have a great time on Kucoin. So now that we're here, let's see how we can convert USD to USDT in Kucoin. So right here at the top corner, you're going to see some subheadings or some headings, all right, representing diverse features. Go ahead and click on markets. So right here in this account, you're automatically traded with USD. Okay, so once you click on markets, it's going to open you up to the market and for you to find or to see what the market looks like. So from here, because we are, transferring, all right, so another way upward. So because we want to convert this to USDT, all right, so from these assets, so let's go ahead and click on USDT. So now this is this estimated, all right, so estimated USD, that's what we're going to enter in here. So estimated USD, put that in and then see how we can convert to USDT. So let's say 1,000. All right, 1,000 USDT. That's 1,000.39 USD. And we want to transfer it to, all right, convert it rather to USDT. Okay. So this is USD, 1,000 USD. Let's convert it. Sorry. Come back to this page. So I clicked on convert, and once I clicked on convert, here's the page that showed up. So how much do you want to pay in? Okay, so how much USDT was the maximum that you want to pay? So click on that. You don't have such a balance, so it have insufficient balance, but just click. All right, so just type in the amount, all right, that you want to pay, and then you're going to get the estimated price. So once you get the estimated price right here, so go ahead and click on confirm. All right, and then once you click on confirm, that's it. You'll be able to convert your USD to USDT. So this is the process. You can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go.